How to share results from Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share the results. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. Here on the bottom, you can see this search bar. Simply tap on this search bar. Now here, you can ask any question or queries about what you want to know. So after you do that, it will provide you all the results here. And here on the bottom, you can see this share button here on the left corner. Simply tap on this share button. Now in order to share it, you can use different social media platform. So after you share it, a link will be created and the person who opens it will be able to view all the results that has been given here. So it's an easy way with which you can share the results with others. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.